just going to go through a couple more examples on simplifying indices, looking at when we've got some coefficients in front of our, so some numbers in front of our letters, and also some negative powers. Okay, so first of all is looking at multiplying. Now we know that the rule of multiplying is that we're going to add the powers together, so that doesn't change if it's negative, but we just need to be careful that we're now going to be adding on a negative number. So in the first question, that is m to the power of 7 times m to the power of minus 2. We need to do, they're the same letter, so we add the powers. 7 add minus 2 is the same as 7 take away 2, so we get m to the power of 5. Okay, that's the same if we have a number. If the base is a number, 5 to the power of 7 times 5 to the power of minus 2. 7 add minus 2 is 5, and we get 5 to the power of 5. Okay, so the next one, x to the power of 8 times x to the power of minus 2. It's going to be 8 add minus 2, which is 8 take away 2, so we get x to the power of 6. Okay, looking at when we've got some numbers in front of the letters, then we need to multiply any numbers that are in front of the letters also. Now in this case, we've got 2 in front of this one and nothing, so which would be a 1 in front of our a cubed. So we're going to have 2 times 1 would be 2, so we've still got 2 at the front. And then if you've got the same letter, again you can add the powers. 5 add 3 is 8. Okay, next one, 5 and what would be a 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. 6 add 4 is 10. 5 t to the power of 10. Okay, on the next two, we've got more than one number. So 3e squared times 2e to the power of 5. 3 times 2 is 6. And then any that have the same letter, so e squared times e to the power of 5, add the powers. 2 plus 5 is 7, so we get 6e to the power of 7. And that is exactly the same if you've got more than 2 terms. So 4 times 2 times 3, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. And then add all your powers for the letters that are the same. So 3 add 5 add 2. 3 add 5 is 8. Add 2 is 10. We get 24w to the power of 10. Okay, moving on to looking at some dividing ones. Okay, so we've got m to the power of minus 5 divided by m squared. Now the rule is still that you subtract the powers. We're now just doing minus 5 take away 2. So if we're at minus 5 and we take away 2, we're going to end up on minus 7. Okay, so m to the power of minus 7. Again, that's the same if it's a number as the base or a letter. 5 to the power of minus 5 divided by 5 squared. Minus 5 take away 2, still minus 7. Okay, x to the power of minus 10 divided by x cubed. Minus 10 take away 3 is x to the power of minus 13. Okay, so you just need to be really careful with your negative numbers. Okay, then we've got numbers in front of our letters. So 2, again, this time we're going to divide the numbers in front. So we've got 2 divided by what would be a 1, so that's still going to be 2. And then subtract your powers. 7 take away 4 is 3, so 2a cubed. Again, this would be a 1, so 8 divided by 1 is still 8. 11 take away 6 is 5, 8t to the power of 5. Okay, now we've got more than one number, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. 8 take away 3 is 5, we get 5e to the power of 5. Same if we've got more than 2 terms. So you've got 20 divided by 4 and then divided by 1, so that's still 20 divided by 4 is 5. And then, oh, we've got a mixture of letters here. They should all be the same, so let's make that an e. So we've got 15 take away 4, take away 1, which isn't written, so we need to remember that, which is 10, so we get e to the power of 10. Cool, have a go with those.